Nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon kasi ito yung pangarap ko eh. Na naging champion sila, sana maging champion din ako.
Yeah! What's up everyone? It's me, your sweet John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga kapamilya. Yes, we are back for our reaction video, and this is for the homecoming of the grand champion of The Voice Season 26 US, which is Sopronio Vasquez sa It's showtime. Excited tayo dito. We've been waiting for this, and this will be my first reaction for 2025. Kaya naman supportahan niyo ako for today's video. And of course, hindi natin palalagpasin to, kaya naman super excited tayo makita how Showtime will showcase Sopronio sa kanyang pagbabalik sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Tawag ng Tanghalan pala, charit. But before I proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. There it is, guys. Wow! Sign of the cross pa siya. Well, for sure, sama-sama to ng mga performance sa TNT. Sino kayo mga makakasama niya? For sure, mga TNT champs and of course the judges. Iba na talaga, no?
If we had the chance to do it all again, tell me, would we?
Iba na yung confidence sa stage.
Memories like the corners of my mind.
And the styling, no? May sarili na siyang distinctive style. Oh, Darren and Nyoy. Iba din ang Darren, no? Ganda ng runs niya, no, Darren? Ay, Tagalog kayo nyo, eh. Ah, ba't nag-sweetheart? Charit. Dapat ano ka dyan? Champion yung kaano mo. Bari ng Nyoy. Ayan ang una, Darren and Nyoy, yung mga judge na sa TNT before. But of course, si Darren hindi pa siya judge ng panahon na yun. But of course, kailangan galingan din nila dahil hello, si Sopronio na yung kasama nila. So, kabog naman, kabog talaga, mga kapamilya singers. Ang magandang version niya nitong Next in Line. Isa to sa magandang version niya na performance. But natiteary-eyed siya. Oh, Yang and Clan. Pinanindigan na talaga ni Klang yung blonde hair niya. Ganda ni Yeng, grabe. Sorry. Wala, nakaka-goosebumps. Very relatable yung journey niya dun sa Next in Line. Ganda. Very memorable yung Next in Line sa kanya. Kasi one of his best performance sa TNT. And relatable yung message ng song sa journey niya. Grabe. Isa rin best performance na to sa ano, The Voice. Ay, ito na mga TNT champs. Ah, ganda ni Rhea Jane. Raven. Pogi. Ah, Jamiel. Very pristine naman to si Mariel. Ganda. Ito magaling din to si JM, grabe. Laika. Being celebrated ng mga champions. Wow! Galing! Rhea Jane, ganda, glow up. Ang ganda. Galing nun. Oh. Kabul. Diba? With the TNT champs and of course, celebrating Sophronia as a homegrown talent from Tawag ng Tanghalan. Ay, ito na, Million Dreams ata to. Wala, nagiging emotional naman ako. Oh, look at Kim. Iba din yung rendition niya nito eh. Very relatable din sa kanya. Same feels. Grabe, goosebumps. Ba't nagiging emotional ako for Sophronia? Genuine happiness of Showtime family. Oh, hello. Ang ganda. Ang meme oh. Ang ganda. Hello, nakaka-emotional. Oh, look at Meme Vice. Ba yan? Ba't ako naiiyak? Very emotional naman yun. Grabe, no? Oh my God. There you have it, guys. That is Sophronia Vasquez homecoming performance sa It's Showtime. Grabe, nakakaiyak yung last part na yun. Sobrang, parang nag-full circle yung journey ni Sophronia. From the moment he started in TNT. Ba't ako naiiyak? My gosh, nakaka-emotional lang na to see na he returned, di ba? Sabi nga nila, parang hindi ka makarating sa pupunta mo, hindi ka lilingon kung saan ka nang galing. And that is what makes him grounded. And you can see his genuine happiness and genuine yung kanyang pangako na babalik siya sa Showtime pag umuwi siya ng Pilipinas, and he made it happen. napaka-humble. It's just like a humbling experience, diba? Very inspirational. And you can see in how he's singing, hindi niya, parang dapat, overpower ko kayong lahat. No. He just stayed with his core, the way he performed, and yung last part na yun, yung A Million Dreams, really hit hard. Grabe, no? Ito sa papalibutan ka ng judges and the champions. Diba? And then ikaw yung nasa gitna, celebrating your success. Diba? And nakita natin yung mga Showtime hosts, they're so genuine. And even when I was there, grabe, what a goosebumps performance. And definitely, it was a winning moment, not only for Sopronio, not only for Showtime, for TNT, but to the Philippines, diba? Grabe, yan naman, super nag-enjoy tayo dyan. And thank you so much for this wonderful experience. And of course, I know that you feel the same way, guys. You can comment down below what are your thoughts with this performance. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asian Diaries. That's our reaction for today. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asian Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.